This channel does not sell vape products. This channel is purely for educational purposes. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today will be a review for a new kit from Smok or Smok, because this one, the new Smok X Priv Plus. Now the X Priv Plus is going to be a device and a tank. There's going to be two versions out there. There's going to be the X Priv Plus and the X Priv Solo. The Solo will be a smaller version. It takes a single 18650. This one takes a dual 18650. Not included, obviously, in the box. Now, this one gives you an output wattage of 225 watts in total. So it's really gone back to the old school style of vaping. The device itself and the tank, for me personally, is very much old school, which I do like. But the screen and the menu has a bit of a slight facelift, a nice revamp. What we'll do first is go down to the table, unbox it. I have two versions. I've got the non-TPD version and the TPD version to show you. Only difference will be, obviously, the tank with a straight glass or bubble glass. That's the only difference, really. So yeah, I'll see you all in a minute. Okay, here are the packaging for the new X Priv Plus kit from Smok or Smok. I've got two, as you can see here. This one, the purple, will be the TPD version. This one in the white shell will be non-TPD version. But this review, I'm using the white shell non-TPD version. Let's put it on to one side for a second. Have a look at this one. See, it says Smok at the front. Picture device itself. It says X Priv Plus kit and tells you the colour. This will be compatible with all of the D-Core series. It does take two external 18650s. Obviously, not included in the packaging there. Gonna put my finger over this QR code and slide on this side, some bullet points there. So it tells you it's got a touchscreen control, scratch and dot drop resistant, switchable themes and vaping animation, vibration reminder, so this device does have haptic feedback. The tank will have top fill with top airflow. That tank will be the TFD sub-on tank. Maximum wattage of this one will be 225 watts, really good. On this side, I need to hold over this website addresses. Inside the kit there, as it says, you get the device. The TFD sub-tank, this one will hold 5.5 mils of e-liquid. It's going to be non-TPD. The code pre-installed will be the 0.15, and there's going to be a spare 0.23. So yeah, the other one will be exactly the same, just that the tank glass is a bit different. I slide this one open, TPD. I can just show you quickly. You can see there, get the device, get the tank with a straight glass, and the spare glass will be straight glass. So that will only hold 2 mils of e-liquid. So that's not really much good with those sort of ohm coils. For this one, 5.5 mils is really good. So slide that one open. And yeah, there's going to be the tank. The bubble glass and the spare glass will be bubble as well. Take out the device. Take out the tanks. Bubble glass, I can leave there. It is spare one. Underneath here, get a few spare pieces. The usual user manual and your warning card and silica gel. Don't eat that, obviously. A little card here warning about your batteries. Make sure you're using the batteries. Don't use the ones with tears in the skin. Shows you the good and the bad. So yeah, always make sure your wraps are not torn anywhere. QR code, obviously. Spare O-rings for the tank. USB-C charge cable. This does have a charge point on the device. However, if you've got an external charger, I always say take out your batteries. If you can remove them, take them out, charge them separately. And then that spare coil. So go over this tank first quickly. I'll put some specs here for the TPD version and non-TPD version. So this one with an 810 drip tip on the top. Pop it out. On the inside there will be a little O-ring there. So any 810 should fit this one. Airflow is at the top coming down under the coil. It's going to be a little turner on each side. Fully open, fully closed, anywhere in between. And on the base there will be your 510 obviously. Just say UKCA G mark. Those would have been, and TFD sub-ohm tank by Smok. This part here unscrew. Very tight out the box. unscrew the base, and there's a coil. They just push fit, so I'll pull that one out for a minute. Put that to one side. Now the bubble glass, you can slide off and change it and clean it. When you take off the glass, that airflow ring will also come off. So any sort of cleaning you need to do, you can clean totally. It's also being a bit sticky. Put a bit of VG or liquid on the O-ring here. So yeah, it's nice and easy to just change the glass. I don't see why you'd change this to the small tyndall glass with this sort of ohms. But yeah, if you want to change it and clean it, you can do. Put the O-ring, everything back on. Put the tank back on. And off you go. Now this tank will be top fill. Little arrow there, just push. And it'll slide open. Little membrane there. Put your bottle through and fill it up, and off you go. So like I said, pre-installed is going to be the 0.15 between 55 and 65 watts. 0.15 is not my speed though. I will try the other one, which is going to be a 0.23. So this one, the 0.23, should be between 45 and 55 watts. So I'll use this one in my review. So I'm going to put the coil back in the base, just push it in. Carefully don't take the glass off. Push it in. Screw in the base. Get some juice. Today with my juice and power, it's going to be my Mango Melody. Look at the little arrow. Slide it open. 50ml bottle is easy to fill. This is going to be a 100ml bottle. Managed to remove the drip tip to get the nozzle in there. But yeah, I'm going to fill it up really quickly. Looking at those membranes, it was a bit messy there. We get a little cloth. Give it a wipe. Never have been keen on membranes. But yeah, that's it filled. My hands are all juicy now. So I'll leave that to saturate for a little minute while I show the device itself. And here we are with the XPriv Plus. There are two out there, XPriv Plus and XPriv Solo. Solo will be a single 18650. This one will be dual 18650. Little sticker there, I'm going to peel it off. Like so. It's got a little feature that tells you the menus. So it tells you 1 click to confirm your options, 2 clicks to lock and unlock the power adjustments, 3 clicks to totally lock the device, 4 clicks to change the interface, show in a minute, 5 clicks to turn on and off. I'll leave it on for a minute for the review. So in the front, it just says Smok or Smoke. USB-C charge point is at the base. This is going to be a screen in a minute. This side, and I do like this, it takes me back to the old days. This could be a fire button. This could be a sidebar fire button. So you can hold it in your hand and just squeeze your hand and it fires straight away. This goes back to a few years ago, and I really do like sidebars, easy to fire. On the back, this would be my white shell. This part comes off, obviously, for your batteries. So this device comes in 6 different colors, but the main body itself is going to be the same color. All that's different is this little panel here. So just say XPriv Plus, little tab there. At the top here, you can see a little tab there. It only goes back in one way. Nice and strong magnets, doesn't move around at all. On the top, 510 connector, obviously, plain and simple. And on the base, just a few bits of writing there. Got my juice everywhere. CE, Dr. Spud and Bin, UKCA, and of course, designed by Smok. So this one, I'm going to get the batteries. Little ribbon there. Clearly marked in white, which I do like. Positive up, negative up. And it comes out straight with Smok or Smoke. It's not on though yet. And then put on the door. That just lets you know that the battery's in there. It is not on. So it's going to be 5 clicks on, 5 clicks off. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Comes up with a logo. XPriv Plus version. And then the screen. Now this screen I really do love. Really big and bright. So at the top part here, you get your percentage for each battery. Both my batteries are fully charged. The lock and unlock. The time you vaped, obviously. The wattage. The ohms. The puff counter. And the voltage. This one is going to be just 4 digits for the puff count. So that lock symbol there, I can lock it or I can change my wattage straight away. All the way up. If I press the sidebar twice, it's now locked. I can still fire it, but I can't change the wattage. 2 clicks, unlock it. And it's unlocked. 3 clicks was going to be for lock and unlock totally. So 1, 2, 3. It's now locked totally. I can't fire it, or I can't adjust the wattage either. So 3 clicks is nice and simple. Safe to put away in your pocket. 1, 2, 3. Unlocked. Now the menu system is with 4 clicks. So the menu system, all you've got here is to clear the puff counter or your themes. This part here will be sensors. It's not going to be buttons, but this sensor is really responsive, I must say. Every time you press it, there's a slight haptic feedback, a little vibration. So I'm going to go to themes. In themes, you've got 3. You've got this one, which is really bright and colourful. 1, 2, 3, 4. Back down to themes. I can change it to this one. Now this one I really do like. It's sort of steampunky. I like that one. I'll leave it on that one. Right now it's still locked. So 1, 2. Let's unlock it. So this device goes down in 1 watt increment, all the way to 5, then all the way up. You might hear it in my microphone. It makes a vibration noise. 225 watts, really old school. It's nice to see devices do this. 1 more click, goes back down to 5. So yeah, it's a nice, simple device. It's made out of zinc alloy. This sticker I can peel off now as well. Like so. Put on my tank. So this one is saying that the ohms of this one is going to be 0.2. It should be 0.23. I'm not sure that's going to be 3 digits, so it's just 2. So yeah, I'm going to set this one to only, wattage is locked, 1, 2. Only to, say 35. Quick fire the button. When you're vaping, you get an animation. Is the animation different with each theme? I'm not too sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Go down to themes. Change to, say, that animation. Let's fire it. No, so it's going to be the same animation when you're vaping, just a different screen. That one is quite bright, but I like the steampunk looking one, which is the first one. Yeah, nice and simple, nice and easy. It's an old school sort of design, but it's going to be updated with this screen. Really nice, up-to-date screen, bright and colourful. So yeah, let's go to the top, have a quick word about this one. So yeah, that's going to be the Priv Plus, up close and personal. That's that same coil in here, the 0.23. My wattage now is going to be at 42 watts, and my airflow is fully open. Quick vape. Really, really good flavour. A lot of cloud protection, you can see. This review is the first time I'm about to bring a fan in this room. So yeah, that's something new for me. A fan, that's how powerful this one is. But yeah, good flavour. The airflow, fully open, is nice and smooth. No whistle sound. Close it down to say halfway. Like so. And again, no sound at all there. I like this one with the airflow fully open. But yeah, as you can see there, the screen is really nice and big and clear. I love that screen. I can see it really easy. The device itself, going to go over the good points and bad points. The main device itself, and even the tank actually. It is very much old school. A lot of new vapors now won't know about side buttons to fire a device. That was quite big a few years ago. Sort of died out. I'm glad they brought it back here. I like side fire. Hold the device and just squeeze. And it fires instantly. So yeah, it is going to be an old school feature. But I do like it. This device goes up to 225 watts with a dual battery. That's a real good wattage, I must say. I don't think I'll ever go more than 70, but if I need to, the power is going to be there. Theme-wise, 3 themes. Pick and choose which one you like. And it has incorporated that haptic feedback. When you use the menu features, it does sort of vibrate and buzz in your hands. But yeah, apart from that, I really do love this device. This tank, was it the TSD sub-ohm tank, I think it is? It's going to be a nice sort of sub-ohm tank. Nothing new, nothing different from the old days, but really, really good flavour. These are the D series coils, I think it was. And this 0.23 is really, really good flavour. Just takes me back to the old days. Sorry guys, wait for the fan. So yeah, when you're vaping, it does have a little animation there, like that sort of thing. You can't turn off the animation. That might be a slight bad point, but for me, it's fine. I just really like this kit. It's a nice, solid build kit. It does what it says. The menu features, it's not complicated. There's no temperature control, there's no variable voltage, there's no curves. It's just pure wattage, create puff count, or change of themes to 3 different styles, and that is it. And the tank, like I said, my one here is non-TPD, holds 5.5 mils. In the TPD version, it's going to be straight glass and straight glass spare, holding 2 mils with a 0.23 or 0.15 on coil. 2 mils of e-liquid, you'll fill that about 5 to 10 times a day, quite easy. So I'm glad I've got 2 versions. I will use this one, non-TPD of course. Really good flavour. Any bad points about this one? Only that one slight one I said there. You can't turn off the animation. I wish I could turn off the animation and also turn off the haptic feedback. When I get a mobile phone, I instantly turn off haptic feedback when I'm touching the screen or using a dial on it. I don't like vibration in my hand. Some people might like it, obviously. But yeah, you can't turn it off, but it's not a big deal. It only vibrates when you're using the menu system. Not so much with the up and down or the fire. Really nice. I've enjoyed reviewing this device, and I enjoy keeping on using it because it just took me back to a few years ago when devices were plain, simple, sturdy, powerful, and just did what they're supposed to. It's not going to be a big device. Consider it's a dual 18650. It's not a big device on my hand. I have big hands, obviously. It's not a big device. But like I said, there is going to be the X-Priv Plus, the X-Priv Solo, single 18650. I think it's going to be lower wattage, obviously. But yeah, this one I do like. Small form in my hand and really, really easy to use. Guys and girls, these two are sent to me from Smok or Smok. I always say Smok. I've been told that it's going to be Smok. Let me know down below in the comments. What do you call them? Do you call them Smok or do you call them Smok? Maybe it's just me, my age. It says SMOK. I've always assumed that was Smok. But I have heard, and they have said to me personally, that it's going to be Smok. But fair enough. These two were sent to me from Smok for the review. Big thanks to them. Guys and girls, hope that video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, give it a thumbs down. If you've already subscribed to me, big thank you, of course. If you're not subscribed to me, want to hit the button down below and subscribe. Hit the bell for notifications and leave a comment. It always helps the channel. And yeah, I'll see you all on the next one.